Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any furniture from your home in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to go to your home and then you can click on this menu. Okay, and equip this item. And then you're going to select something that you want to remove. For example, I'm going to remove this chair. So we need to select the chair and then we can click on this menu. Okay, and as you can see guys that the chair has been removed from my house, and if you want to um, place the chair in your home, you just need to go to your bag, okay, like this, and just select place, and you can rotate it and click on the check mark. If you want to remove, just click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove any furniture from your home in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.